Hey there, this is Schierling. I'm excited to be here today doing another video for you for Exitus Elite. And I wanted to give you another update on the program and some income testimonial. I actually had another $1,000 day today with this program. This is my Facebook page. As you can see, this is me. And let me just show you my post from a couple hours ago. I actually had a text this morning from my bank letting me know that I have a $1,000 sale with Exitus Elite. Someone joined at the G1000 level, which is the top level with Exitus Elite. And I have been with Exitus Elite for just a very short while now, and I'm continuing to have these $1,000 days, and wanted to share with you what a great program it is and a little tour of the back office. So let me go over here and show you real quickly the back office. So this is my page, and as you can see here, this is my total income for the short time that I've been in the program. And I did come in at the G1000 level, which is the top level. And it is really a great program. It's been around for about 6 years. And you know, what I love about Exitus Elite is the fact that it is going strong even 6 years later. In fact, they have just redone the comp plan earlier this year, where it's even more powerful for members to make money. And so it's just really taking off. Let me show you our Facebook group for Exitus Elite. So this is our Exitus Elite private group. Once you're a member, you can be added in this group. And these are just some of the members that have joined, and members that are earning $1,000 days, $500 days, $250 days, and even $100 days with this program. There's thousands of members in here. And I added my new member in here to welcome him in the group this morning. So Will, my friend Will, he joined at the G1000 level. And so it's a great community. A lot of people are joining, and this is just proof right here in our private Facebook group. And what I love about Exitus Elite is it is basically set up and ready to go. Everything you need is right here in your back office. Absolutely everything. All right. From the capture pages, let me just show you the capture pages here. I mean, this is a business that is a business in a box. All your capture pages are here ready to go, and your autoresponder messages. And this is really cool because a lot of businesses that you buy into don't have capture pages for you. They don't have autoresponder messages for you. You have to go out and get a capture page created. You have to write your own email autoresponder series. And most people don't know how to do that, and that's just an extra expense. But Exitus Elite provides all that for you. So you have all these capture pages to choose from, and you can switch out and look at, use any capture page at any time, depending on what market you're promoting to. Let's say you're going to be promoting to, moms that stay at home. You might want to use this capture page for moms that stay at home. Okay, and that's a really cool one. You might want to be focusing on the retirement age people, people that want to earn additional income after they retire. This is a great capture page to use for that. This one I really like too. It's really interactive. Let's see, where is that one? It's right here. I mean, look how professional these are. It's going to take a moment to load, but very professionally done. These are interactive. They really catch your eye when your prospect lands on your capture page. It tells about the opportunity. It's very intriguing with the graphics here. And then they just put in their name, email, and phone number and click more. And it's going to take them over to our amazing 8-minute video sales letter, which is a video that does all the telling and selling for us. And you'll find that in your back office right here under my VSL, my video sales letter. This is what everybody lands on and learns about the opportunity. Very well put together.
Welcome to Exitus Elite,
and here's the 8-minute video
online
right
digital
here.
business
Let me
that
just
works
turn
for
up my
just about
volume.
everybody. Built from the ground up to ensure our members' success, Exitus has become one of the Internet's premier online opportunities. By providing high-quality digital products, an exciting profitable compensation plan, and an automated system that helps generate 100% of the sales commission for you, the Exitus membership offers you the chance of real online success.
So that is the video sales letter that does all the telling and selling for us, and this is actually new this year in April. This 8-minute video sales letter is new, and it's doing an amazing job of converting sales for us all. So you'll have access to that. That's part of your funnel system in the back office. And I did touch on some of the products in some of my previous videos. You're going to have access to all the libraries back here, depending what level you join at. If you come in at the G100 level, you'll have access to some products here. If you join at the 250 level, you have additional products here. And if you join at the 500, even more products. And these are products that will teach you how to market online, and also self-help and motivation, that type of thing. If you join at the G1000, you have even more right here, okay, even more products. And you get all the products down below, okay? So if you join at G1000, you get everything. G500, you get everything below that. G250, everything below. G100, you just get G100. And then, of course, there's also back office training back here, which I've shared before, how to set up your back office very quickly. Take you about half hour to 45 minutes to get set up and ready to go and start earning 100% commissions. Okay. Now, the other thing that's really cool that I wanted to touch on, if you want to have a success coach close the sales for you, we have that option right here. If you click on this Exitus CTA Splash Setup page, you can choose to activate this page, and when someone opts into your capture page and watches the 8-minute video and they want more information, they want to talk to a coach, this information will be on your page, and your prospect can call this number and get information, and they'll have a coach call them back and close the sale for you. So that's just an extra plus. Now, if you use this option, you will earn 50% commission off of every sale, because you are required to send 50% of the commission earned to the Exitus assistant that makes the sale for you. So if you don't want to use this option, you don't have to do anything here. If you just want to earn the 100% commissions, you don't have to use this Coach Exitus CTA splash page setup at all. Okay? Just use your capture page, and when people watch that 8-minute video, it converts so well, you're going to start getting these commissions. So that is the video I wanted to do for you today, and I'll do another video another time on how you can get leads to your capture page. We do provide paid marketing in our back office of Exitus. You can also market strictly on Facebook for free. You can do Craigslist marketing, free ad marketing, SMS. There's many different ways that you can market this business and get these nice 100% commissions coming in. So I'm going to put my link down below this video. If you're interested in more information on this, click my link down below. When you join me, I will be giving you my bonus, which is a social media training course that is worth $197. Yours absolutely free. So click the link down below this video and get started with us today, and I will be happy to add you to our Facebook group and get you started with us, welcome you here. If you're not on Facebook, don't worry about it. You don't have to be added to this group at all. But if you're on Facebook, which most people are, I'll be happy to add you to the group, welcome you to the community, and get you added to our bonus training group as well. So I will see you on the next video. Click the link down below. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you on the next video. Have a good day.